Computers are made of two big things: hardware, the physical parts you can touch, and software, the programs and instructions that run on the hardware. Hardware examples: inside the device, processor, CPU, memory, RAM, storage, SSD or hard drive, external/peripherals, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, webcam, USB stick. Software examples: operating system, OS, Windows, macOS, Android, iOS. The OS runs the device and lets other programs work. Applications, apps, Word, Excel, Chrome, WhatsApp, Outlook, online banking. System software, antivirus, drivers, updates. How they work together. You click with the mouse, hardware, the operating system receives the click, the app responds, the screen, hardware, shows the result. Every digital action is a quiet handshake between hardware and software. Try this. Look at the computer or phone in front of you. Write down 3 pieces of hardware you can see or touch and 3 pieces of software you currently have open or installed.